Buenos dias, compas. Buenos dias, buenos dias, buenos dias. Oh, shoot. My fault. Buenos dias. All right, folks. Today's going to be a short one, getting pretty much straight to the point. It's been a little dead these last past couple of days. All right. I won't say the market's been dead, just not really been messing with it. All right. Going into bouncing off of our previous okay, so pretty much everything that has been happening over the last past couple of days. We had that oil drop, right? I know I haven't posted a video. Y'all don't kill me, okay? Let's see. But like we've been saying, we have down here to the lower low, right? We got that lower low, and we instantly recover on Monday. All right. This is not exactly what you want to see, really, textbook wise. Um, we bounced off, but the good thing is that we created this new lower low right here. All right, we got this new lower low. We lost that 200 days, shot immediately through it, found support, shot up, and then now we're shot back up to. Let me go ahead and give y'all a better one. Let's go to a blank page here, right? We shot immediately back up to the 200 day. Now we're back up in that order block. We try to close above it, got rejected by the 200 SMA. No bueno. Okay, we lose it. We fall back out of that order block right here. Completely get a clear break, a clear dropout. All right, we're shooting back up right now. We lose the 50 SMA today. Could easily see 24,087. All right. After that, we're looking for 24,524. There's a lot of room with these little gaps on the way down, so that'll be easily done. All right, that's something that we could pretty much see happen real quick. Okay, so we got like this gap right here, and then we got this gap right here. Okay, so these could really help us more to the downside. With that being said, I want everyone to just be mindful of what's happening today. Okay, hold on, let me get this situated. What's happening today is we got CPI data. All right, that's going to be released here at 7:30 Central Time. So that's going to play a big effect on it. All right, now with that being said, we have that's that dictates and lets us know how inflation is looking on the market right now. Okay, and I would definitely be concerned. All right, we're not going to see any data that's been happening when it comes to oil. All right, because why oil is currently happening. The data that we're getting right now is that's all for that's all for February. Okay, now if y'all are on the Discord, all right, I've hooked y'all up with. Let's see, where's that at? All right, pretty much hooked y'all up already with all the data that we're getting in March. All right. So we got CPI, that's 11th, which is today. All right. Some dates, still to be adjusted. I need to go back in and adjust some of those. But we got PPI the following day, which is tomorrow. All right. We got retail sales on the 16th, and we got our FOMC meeting. All right. The FOMC meeting is going to tell us a lot, folks. A lot. All right. Um, so I want everyone just to be weary of that. Do I think we're gonna get rate cuts? I don't know. Right now, it really would call for it if I'm being completely honest with you. But headphones are not working, so I'll just go ahead and do this session raw with the nice Lonnie. You feel me? Not sponsored. I don't have enough subscribers. So if y'all haven't subscribed, go subscribe, all right? But do I think we're gonna get rate cuts? I don't think we are gonna get rate cuts. If I'm being completely honest with you, should we? Yes, I think we should. Um, but like I said, that's all based on data. If data's looking like we should, then we definitely should. I don't know. Maybe that's what Trump is doing. Maybe that's what Trump is after, to just cause complete chaos inside the market and pretty much give a reason to have the Feds initiate rate cuts. I don't know. He does things for certain reasons. You know, and with that being said, you can find this economic calendar inside of the Discord. All right. Now, y'all can go ahead and find that right here. It says economic calendar. Click on it. There's your PDF file. All right. Takes you directly to that page that we were just on. Okay. And now with Trump just pretty much running off like a damn lunatic, um, there's things that we should be conscious of. All right. If y'all don't follow on Twitter, go follow on Twitter. There's people that I follow on here. There's good pages on here that I follow. The only people that I do follow is literally the things that you need to be seeing. Okay, so that way you can go follow them and have them on on uh on your timeline. All right. So great guy to follow right here. Let's see right here. So oil dropped from 120 to $80 in 48 hours because Trump said that the war was almost over. And this is why I keep telling everyone, I don't care what Trump says. I don't care what he says. At this point, I really don't. I don't care if it's good. I don't care if it's bad. There's no substance being attached to it. It's all just air being spoken into. All right. Said the war is almost over, but yet, meanwhile, Strait Hormuz still closed. Only two ships have passed through since Friday. All right. Normal traffic is 100 ships per day. Iran is laying mines and jamming GPS signals, creating fake ship clusters on the tracking data. All right. The market is trading on word. How are you going to read all this? All right. The trading on words, shipping economies are trading on reality. Thank you. This is why data is so important. This is why I don't care what people say. I want the fucking numbers, dog. What are the numbers getting? We're not going to get a lot of those numbers until next month. All right. That's why all this smoke that they're blowing up all y'all's ass, do not believe it, bro. All right. Everyone's saying, you know, we're good now. Bull market is back. Bull this, that, and the third. No, it's not. All right. As long as this war is still going, don't let them fake y'all out. All right. I mean, come on, let's be real. Government tells the truth all the time. Nah, dog. Nah. All right. So we have that going for us right now. Let's see. Trump, the war could be over soon. That was cap. Iran begins a new wave of missile strikes on northern Israel, and that's when we started asking them if we could pretty much ask them to halt the strikes. All right, Israel's not looking for an endless war, but Iran don't give a damn right now. All right, so things are not de-escalating the way that Trump likes to make it out to seem. Okay, we I don't like what we did with all that oil as well either. Okay, so right now we're just looking at the market. It's getting some bounce. CPI data comes in bad. I mean, that's not even pertaining to what has happened with the oil. All right, I need everyone to understand that. All right, has not even happened. Okay, so we won't get that data um till next month. All right, VIX keeps on rising. We are not like now. We're not even going below the 20s. All right, as the VIX gets higher, the market is going to remain volatile. So all these moves that you guys are seeing back to the upside, it's not really support. It's just volatility. Things are getting volatile right now. All right, there's no actual fucking support. There's no support. All right, just pure hype. There's a difference between hype and support. You feel me? I know a lot of my sports folks do. All right, so we've been tracking this. All right, we've been tracking this for how long now? At this point, we'll say 75 days, right? 76 days, 75, 76 days. Okay, completely shot up. got that relief from the oil, right? Oil, where's oil at? Oil is now not even getting below $85. All right. Today is something that I want to see. All right. Because if this even shoots back up to $98 today, CPI, I'm just saying, CPI, whatever data we could possibly fucking get, all right, could help us, could help shoot oil back up. All right. If this shoots up, now we got a nice little morning star. All right. Will it? I don't think so. Just because the CPI data is not going to pertain to us, really. Okay. So I want to see how oil moves today. Um, VIX still on the rise. All right, we're still building pressure. Nothing's actually cooling down. We're just getting these quick reliefs. All right, eventually it's gonna pop. All right. Um, let's see. Nvidia rejecting off the 200 SMA again. All right. This is pre-market still, so I mean, who knows? All right. I wanted to go short right here, but I told myself I'd wait at 616 for Qs to go short. Right here, we still get a lot of rejection around 612. We lose 603, then we'll pretty much see 593. Okay. Let's see. Palantir. Palantir still looks good. I still like it more to the outside, especially as the war keeps on happening. So it's bouncing off that 13 EMA, came back for that retracement. It's still looking good. It's a good war stock if you guys want to go ahead and play them. AMD rejecting off the 50 SMA. All right. This is no bueno. This is not exactly what you want to see if you're going on calls for AMD puts. This is very good. All right. For those of y'all that are still on those puts, it's still looking good. All right. Google, I'm still thugging it out. We got this death cross still about to happen. So anything could still happen right here. Um, Mine aren't until April 2nd. All right. SoFi, a great buy. All right. A great buy. Just be careful if you are getting into any leaps. All right. It's a great one, but I mean, this is a sharp decline. All right. That's a sharp decline. Um, yeah, you lose 18, you're coming down to 13, and these are strong supports here. All right. These are very strong supports. So, um, lose that, you come back down, and as you can see, time over time, this is where you find the support. This is where you find that support and resistance. You find that as well too, and you stay below 13 for quite some time. And when are in 13, you stay in 13 for quite some time as well too. Um, so let's see. If I were y'all before hopping into anything, you want to see more consolidation. This is kind of looking good, but I want to see how it's gonna react when it gets and hits when it hits that 50 SMA. Okay, when that 50 SMA finally comes and actually hits one of those candles to test it, then we'll get a better picture. All right. As of right now, though, I wouldn't be too quick to jump into leaps. If you are gonna play this, play leaps for sure, of course. But I'd wait. You get that retest at what is that, 1942. This is only going to keep coming down more. You get a good retest on it, shoot up. I think you're looking good for leaps. All right, then it'd be safer to call it to get into leaps. But you never know. This thing still might lose it, and we might come down to 13. Okay. Um, open. I'm still cash heavy on this. I mean, we're not really doing much here, and especially if the war does go crazy, I am expecting that pullback. All right, it's gonna be bad for real estate. It's gonna be very bad. It's gonna be very bad for everything. All right, so I want $3. All right, that's the price I'm okay with loading up on them. And if it goes back down to $1, I'm not gonna be mad as well either, just because I feel like I got it at a good price. All right, so sitting cash heavy, sitting looking pretty inside my bank account right now, and yeah, man. So CPI, that's what we're really waiting for today, and that's gonna tell us a lot. All right. So everybody who is trading in the market, look, I need y'all to just understand something, man. You don't have to trade every day. All right. That's why it's been kind of quiet in the Discord the last past couple of days, and I haven't really dropped anything because I know what the market is doing. I know what bullshit that they're on right now. Why am I gonna stress myself up about over that? I'm not here to go pull the lever on the damn machine, on the what do they call it? The slot machines. All right, I'm not trying to take that gamble and take all these risks. I get it. That's for a lot of people. Day traders. That's mainly their business, their bread and butter. You know what I'm saying? I don't like to day trade. Like I said, I like to dabble in it every now and then. Not saying that is gambling either. Don't take that out of context. It's gambling for me because I like to swing trade. All right. Um, when it comes to what you're trading on the day, you definitely need a strategy. So if you don't have a strategy, I would kind of pump the brakes on the day trades. All right. Um, for me though, it's more. I'm waiting for dates like this. All right. My trading style is a lot more boring. All right. But I like it like that. All right. That's why you guys don't see me stressed out or like losing my mind or even get feed into a lot of the nonsense that they're pretty much speaking on. All right. I'm waiting on data because I want to see numbers, and that's going to help me get into my trades a lot better, get into my entries a lot better. It helps me take a step back and help me look at the market and see how everyone else is reacting to the market because a lot of it is also psychology. All right. So I'm looking at how everyone else is looking at the market, how they're reacting to the market. Um, I'm seeing when it gets volatile. I'm seeing a lot of triggers. I'm seeing a lot of factors getting still put into effect while everyone is so involved into the market and giving the market its their money. That's when I like to step back and I like to see everything. All right. Michael Jordan didn't play every single minute of the game. He played a lot of the minutes of the game. All right. Kobe played a lot of minutes of the game, but he sat on the bench from time to time. There's a reason why you get benched sometimes. Sometimes you need to take a step back and look at the game, all right? Because right now you're moving too hot, and right now you got a big chance of blowing your account from making dumb trades, all right? And it's not even that you're a dumb trader. It's not even that you're a bad trader. It's just that you're either one, A, getting too greedy, two, smoking a lot of hopium, trying to hit that lick, all right? Or three, you just got the itch, man. We've all had the itch, and I've always wanted to, there's been a lot of times where I just want to go and keep on trading, all right? Sometimes no trading is the best trading. I need y'all to take that to the bank, okay? So don't be afraid to just step back and just look at the market, all right? There's always going to be plays. Don't be in a rush to get in them, all right? So with that being said, let's wait for data. Let's be smart with our money, and let's make this one count. All right, folks. So I'll keep y'all posted today. It might be a little bit of a busy day today, but I'm gonna do my best to get to y'all. All right. So stay tuned, stay locked in, and go do your push-ups, y'all. All right. So y'all have a good one. God bless.